What's up guys, today we're installing these hood pins on my Mazda Speed 6.
Pay attention.
What's up guys, when installing hood pins, the order or steps that you'll want to go in is first, you'll want to find where you want to put your hood pins. So on my Mazda Speed 6, I decided to put one there and one there because those factory spots are pretty good. Like they already had holes already drilled right there, so it's pretty easy to match up. I just had to put the pins in exactly in the same spot. Then you can mark your hood pins. See, I wanted mine to be right on the edge, as you can see. And once you have found your spot, you're just gonna wanna make sure your hood pins fit in there and mount up. Hopefully they have room. Then you'll have to cut your hood pins so that they're shorter, because for mine, I had to cut them so that they wouldn't hit this bottom headlight piece. So they had to be a little bit shorter, so I had to cut mine. Then after that, it's pretty much just a lot of cutting and trying to mark where your hood pins go. We have to cut these two so that it's the exact same length. Oh, so big. That took forever. Holy crap.
You got a vice grip up there.
Yeah, it's all good. I just had to cut it so that we could get matching sides. So. Yep. Dude. Yeah, after we'll for sure go do a pull.
What's that guy back there? What is that right there? Look at that car right there. Look at that one.
Look at this one right here.
That one?
This one has a
Look at all these
supercharger in it
people.
with the URD 7th injector.
Hey, we don't need to hear it.
So you don't accidentally sand it. It's okay.
This car. Check out the welds. Let's check these out. These are some high quality welds.
Beat this Let me get in here, Steve.
Let me tell you, you're gonna go through this film. There's some gold in here, my friend. There's gold in this film.
Here's some gold. See right here, Steve is kind of just making an indent in the hood to kind of mark it to see where it's gonna go.
It's about right there, but
Okay, so he kind of marked it, gave it a good mark of exactly where it's gonna go, and he's gonna go ahead and drill it.
They change different colors.
Okay.
another hole.
Oh wow.
The tutorial's going
So
great.
Cade, what sandpaper did you end up switching to?
I'm on
before
2000 now.
He's on 2000 sand grit paper, and that looks like it actually worked a lot better than the 1000 grit. So,
All right, Cooper.
That's the idea.
are you gonna?
Cooper, it's time to chop.
How do I look? Am I good?
You look good.
All right, sweet. Guys, this is the phase in the install where I like to just call it a cut more and just keep cutting. And that's what we're gonna do. Now the reason why I cut it so weird this time is because that's a huge grinder and I really didn't want to overcut it, so I was just trying to get like a little hole so I could line it up exactly. And see that? See, I cut my hole perfectly right where it needs to be. Now we grab our piece. This is our piece.
we set it right there. And that should be exactly where that one is at.
Okay. No problemo, huh, Steve?
Yo, easy peasy, lemon squeezy.
Yep, exactly.
Yeah. Three and a half inches. Right there, boom. Doesn't have to be perfectly precise. There will be a few adjustments we can make.
Yeah, there's always adjustments you can make and just kind of beat it right into the place you want it to be.
Yo.
Christian knows
Yeah.
a lot about that, don't you? We won't talk about that now, Christian, unless you want to.
It wasn't cops though.
It wasn't God. Super.
Am I chilling? All right, guys, so this hood pin I just marked right here, as you can see. So the goal is just to cut a small hole, because you're gonna cut out, if you see right here, you're gonna cut out this whole area. So the goal was just to cut out a small chunk so that my hood pin would be exposed and I could see exactly where it lines up. Then I lined up where the hood pin needs to go. As you can see the like hood pin down in the hole. And then I just marked it with the blue, measured it up on the edges just to be sure. Now I've got to cut that exact hole out, and that's pretty much the end of the install.
Heck yeah. Oh God.
Here we go.
End of the install, baby.
End of the install, baby. All right, so Steven's just gonna go ahead and start cutting exactly where.
Yeah.
Money! All right. What are you gonna do now, Steve?
Now we gotta just make the hole like pretty.
Now he's just gonna go through
See
and
the
clean
edges?
everything up.
Yep. Yeah. It's looking better though.
Looks pretty good.
Oh, so close, just barely.
What side is it?
It's on the other side, just right there. All right, guys, so now that the hood pin fits and we have it all lined up, as you can see the hood pin in there, when you push it in, it closes. Now I'm gonna just be drilling all these holes out. I like to just drill them real quick and then take the hood pin off. That way I don't damage it. It doesn't chatter at all, huh? Really? Well, yeah, but
Mine does. It's cold. In the morning.
they have nuts on the back too, but the metal is like perfectly sized, so they like literally screw in too, which is good. All right, guys, so all of the bolts have been like pushed in. Nice, there we go. All right, so all the bolts have been like pushed in, and you definitely are gonna be putting these little tiny nuts on the back of them, but my holes are like really, really small. Yeah, so it fit in there.
Oh wow.
So now we just go put.
Let's see if we can.
Oh.
We came together. We did it.
Shout out to Jackson. He always
Oh yeah.
does good filming, dude. Yours is always good too, but What's up, guys? Right now we're going for a ride because I just installed my new hood pin, so we're gonna make sure the hood doesn't fly up or anything like that, but it'll be good. There's nothing to worry about. We're just getting some good clips, so let's get to it.
I'll watch it pretty steep. I'm good at that.
Is it loading? Is it this
Recording?
filming? Yeah.
Yes.
You see that?
Did it start hesitating?
Did it lean out? Yeah, it leaned out. What's up, guys? Thanks for watching today's install. These are my buddies that helped me, and they each have some pretty dope cars, so we're gonna get a little edit of each of their cars.
Sweet.
What's up, guys? My name's Cade. This is my E36. We're rocking some Style 5s, Bilstein PSS 9 coilovers, and exhaust and intake. Just my little daily.
What other projects do you have?
Got a 2 Series.
A 2 Series.
Maybe she'll make it on the channel.
Yeah, for sure.
What's up, you guys? This is Brandy. This is my 2001 Toyota 4Runner limited edition. I have this TRD supercharger with URD 2.2 smaller pulley with the 7th injector, which we'll get more to that later. 3-inch suspension kit with an E-locker in the rear that I took off of a Tacoma, 1999 Tacoma.
You took the E-locker off the Tacoma?
Yep, and we'll pretty much get more about this build in another video, you guys.
Yeah,
hopefully.
For sure. Leave a comment for each build.
What's up? My name is Jack, and this is my 2013 Evo 10. It's my dream car, keeping it forever.